to Kids Show Channel.
Tsunami and earthquake vertical bar, 4 friends brave disaster. Early one bright morning, Otter happily invited Hedgehog, Possum, and Chipmunk to visit the busy town market together. The 4 friends walked along the road, laughing, talking, and dreaming about delicious vegetables they would buy. Suddenly, the ground began shaking violently, and buildings trembled as a powerful earthquake struck unexpectedly. Hedgehog quickly warned everyone to stay calm, while Possum helped Chipmunk avoid falling debris safely. Otter used his balance and strength to guide all friends to an open, safe area nearby. After the earthquake stopped, the friends felt relieved and bravely decided to continue their market journey. Soon they reached the lively market, filled with colorful vegetables and friendly shopkeepers. Chipmunk excitedly chose carrots and beans while Hedgehog carefully picked fresh greens. Possum carried heavy bags proudly while Otter paid the shopkeeper with a happy smile. With full bags and happy hearts, the 4 friends started walking back toward home. Suddenly, the sea roared loudly as a massive tsunami rushed toward the town, frightening everyone. Otter spotted a floating boat nearby and shouted for everyone to run quickly. All 4 friends jumped into the boat just before the powerful waves flooded the streets. The boat drifted toward a tall building, and they climbed to the top carefully. From the rooftop, they waved and shouted for help, hoping someone would rescue them. Soon, a rescue helicopter appeared in the sky, bringing hope and relief to everyone. Rescue workers helped Otter, Hedgehog, Possum, and Chipmunk board the helicopter safely. As the helicopter flew away, the friends felt thankful for life and their strong friendship. They promised to always stay united and help each other during any future danger. The 4 brave friends reached safety, knowing courage and teamwork can overcome any disaster.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
9 Animal Sea Adventure. Early in the morning, Goose gathered all his animal friends near the quiet shore with excitement about fishing together. Walrus checked the boat carefully while Seal and Guinea packed fishing nets and food baskets happily. Owl planned the sea route wisely while Bulbul flew above, watching waves and weather carefully. Bobcat and Markhor pushed the boat into the sea as Skink sat proudly at the front. As the boat sailed deeper, the friends laughed, shared stories, and enjoyed sparkling blue waters together. Suddenly, dark shadows moved beneath the water, making Owl warn everyone to stay alert.
Stay alert, everyone! Something's moving beneath us!
A huge shark jumped out, shaking the boat fiercely and terrifying Guinea and Bulbul deeply. Walrus blocked the shark with his tusks, while Bobcat steered the boat sharply aside. Skink distracted the shark using shiny scales, giving everyone precious time to escape safely. After escaping, the friends relaxed briefly, believing danger had finally passed peacefully. Suddenly, a gigantic glowing jellyfish rose, spreading long deadly tentacles around the boat. Owl shouted
Steady now,
instructions,
Markhor.
while
Use your
Markhor
horns to block
used his
those
horns
dangerous
to block
tentacles.
dangerous
We've got this under
tentacles
control.
bravely. Seal and Walrus rocked the boat together, making the jellyfish lose balance completely. Bobcat and Skink struck together, finally defeating and sinking the jellyfish into the sea. Victory brought joy, and the friends began catching many colorful fishes for dinner. They caught more than 10 different fishes, filling baskets with excitement and pride. As the sun set, the friends turned their boat back toward home together. Back on shore, everyone cooked and shared dinner, laughing about their brave adventure. Guinea thanked everyone, learning that teamwork always defeats even the biggest dangers. The 9 friends slept peacefully, proud of their courage, friendship, and unforgettable sea journey.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow.
Escape adventure with pets. Heavy rain pours over the city, and streets and houses slowly begin filling with water. Gagan and Hrithika stand shocked as flood water starts entering their house. The dog, cat, parrot, rabbit, rat, and fish gather together in fear. Parents guide the children to move toward a safer place immediately. Gagan bravely decides to save all the pets without leaving anyone behind. Ritika carefully lifts the container holding the fish. Gagan, Ritika, and their pets begin walking through the flooded street. As water flows strongly, the dog leads the way protectively. The cat jumps onto a higher place, warning everyone of danger. The parrot flies above and shows a safe route forward. When the rabbit gets tired, Ritika gently carries it. The rat smartly finds a small floating boat nearby. Everyone climbs onto the boat and continues safely. A floating tree approaches, and Gagan bravely pushes it away. They safely reach the top of a high building. A rescue team arrives with boats and spots the children. Gagan, Ritika, and all the pets are rescued safely. The dog wags its tail, the cat meows, and the parrot chirps happily. Gagan and Ritika stand proudly after saving everyone. The flood teaches one lesson: with courage, unity, and kindness, any danger can be overcome. In natural disasters, unity between humans and animals can save lives. Heavy Black Heart.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Village, Gagan, a 9-year-old boy, and his younger sister Ritika, a 7-year-old girl, lived happily with their parents. They were never alone, because their loyal and intelligent dog Brilli was always with them. Brilli was not an ordinary dog. His eyes were always alert, his ears listened carefully, and his heart was filled with love and courage. One day during the holidays, Gagan and Ritika decided to play along a nearby forest path. "Shall we go a little inside?" Gagan asked excitedly. "Don't worry, Brilli is with us." Ritika laughed happily. But Brilli felt something strange. He looked around carefully, sensing danger. Suddenly, near the narrow path, there was an old well hidden by grass and loose soil. Because of recent rain, the ground was weak. Ritika suddenly slipped and was about to fall into the well. "Ritika!" Gagan screamed in fear. In that very moment, Brilli ran like lightning. Without thinking about himself, he jumped forward and caught Ritika's dress with his teeth. He pulled her back with all his strength. The soil kept slipping, and Brilli struggled hard, but he did not let go. Brilli was not afraid. He started barking loudly for help. His strong cries echoed through the forest. Hearing the barking, villagers rushed to the spot with ropes. Together, they carefully rescued Ritika and brought Gagan to safety as well. After everything was over, Brilli sat down, tired and weak. There was a small injury on his leg. Ritika hugged Brilli tightly and cried. "What would have happened without you?" she said softly. Gagan gently touched Brilli and said, "You are our hero." From that day onwards, the villagers proudly called Brilli the lifesaver.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Pollution meeting in the forest. The new year had arrived. All the animals had gathered under a large tree in the middle of the deep forest. "This year we must become good," the gorilla announced, thumping its chest. "Let's talk about what we should do first," said the monkey, hanging from a branch. "We should wake up early in the morning and exercise," said the chimpanzee. The bear laughed upon hearing this. "It's a big deal if I even wake up and exercise too," it said, leaning against the tree. "We shouldn't eat too much," said the rhinoceros. Immediately, the wild boar asked, So, my 6 meals a day will become 5? Everyone burst into laughter. This year we shouldn't get angry, the hippopotamus said calmly. At the same time, it stepped into the water, making a loud splash. Sorry, it's a habit, it said. We should cultivate good habits, said the kangaroo, hopping around. Will you learn to walk without hopping? The monkey teased. Then they started discussing what they shouldn't do. We shouldn't sleep too much, said the deer, getting up. Let's skip this topic. We shouldn't tease others, said the gorilla. At the same time, the monkey pulled the chimpanzee's tail. That was an old year's tease, it said, trying to cover up. We shouldn't be jealous, said the rhinoceros. The wild boar immediately said, if I had your horn, I would be calm cool. Finally, the gorilla said, we don't all have to be perfect. Small positive changes are enough cool. Everyone nodded. Deer alone said, this year, we can start from tomorrow. Moral of the story. There is no need to completely change in the new year. Small, good habits, along with smiles and effort, are enough.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and follow our channel.
Panther, cheetah, wolf, and jaguar, a humorous tale. In a dense forest lived a panther, a cheetah, a wolf, and a jaguar. Each had their own unique personality. The panther always boasted, I am the
Ready
smartass.
for some fun?
The cheetah
You bet.
was renowned
Watch
for its
this.
speed, but it would run without thinking. The wolf talked a lot. He would even confuse himself while talking. The jaguar was quiet, but observed everything. One day, an announcement was made in the forest about an upcoming forest comedy festival. When they heard that the winner would receive the Laughter Champion trophy, all four jumped with excitement. I will win, the panther declared, posing in front of an imaginary mirror. I'll run all over the stage, the cheetah exclaimed, starting to run without any practice. I'll tell a joke. But which one? The wolf chuckled to himself. The jaguar simply smiled and said, let's see. On the day of the festival, the cheetah came first. This is speed comedy, he announced and ran onto the stage. While running, he slipped and fell with a boom onto a pile of hay. Everyone burst into laughter. Next came the panther. I'll perform magic, he declared, pulling out a hat. A rabbit was supposed to come out of the hat. But out came the wolf's old slipper. The panther himself laughed so hard he sat down. Then came the wolf. A joke. No, no, he stammered,
Hello, everyone.
his tongue tripping
I,
over his words,
think
and he
I-
forgot the joke he
Wait,
was about to tell.
no, I mean,
His confusion itself made everyone laugh. Finally, the jaguar arrived. He didn't say anything. He slowly brought out a mirror and showed the faces of the other three in a funny way.
Looking good.
They laughed at
Woohoo, that's
themselves.
fabulous.
Hey,
The
my turn.
audience
Ruff, ruff.
laughed until their stomachs ached. Who gets the trophy? The judges said, no one lost today.
Look at this
Everyone who
amazing
brought
group.
laughter is a winner. The four of them laughed together, understanding that laughter itself is the greatest victory.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Year celebration in the deep forest. The new year was approaching in the deep, lush forest. In that forest, a hyena, a giraffe, a deer, a zebra, a lion, a rabbit, and a chicken all lived together as friends. They decided to celebrate the new year together. This year should be filled with laughter and joy. The hyena said, laughing. I'll do the stage decorations, said the giraffe, using its long neck to hang the lights. The deer collected flowers, and the zebra drew colorful patterns on the ground. The rabbit prepared firecrackers, the quiet kind, and the chicken cooked sweets. The lion supervised everything and ensured everyone was safe. Meanwhile, on the other side of the forest lived the wicked Komodo dragon. I don't like this celebration. Everyone should pay attention to me, it roared angrily. On New Year's Eve, it planned to come and spoil the celebration. Night fell. The lights twinkled. Laughter and music filled the forest. Suddenly, the ground trembled. The Komodo dragon had arrived. Everyone was a little scared. Then the hyena, laughing, suggested an idea.
I have a clever,
Let's not
fun
fight.
idea.
We can turn this into a festival. The rabbit
Hey, look
immediately
who's
put
here.
on a big New
Happy
Year's
New Year,
mask.
everyone.
The chicken offered the dragon some sweets. The giraffe showered paper flowers from above. The zebra and the deer performed a funny dance together. The lion gently said, "This is a celebration for everyone." The Komodo dragon stood astonished. No one had hurt it. Instead, everyone had included it. Its anger melted away. "Can I celebrate too? What do you say?" it asked. "Certainly," everyone replied. Firecrackers flashed. "Happy New Year" echoed throughout the forest. That night became a joyful new beginning for everyone. Moral of the story: with happiness and sharing, even anger and enmity can transform into friendship.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Opens with a tranquil river flowing through a lush green forest, accompanied by the sounds of nature. On the riverbank, Guru, the wise crocodile, wearing glasses, is deep in thought. Nearby, Babu The Panda is happily eating bamboo, keeping everyone cheerful. Chinnu the squirrel runs along the tree branches, observing everything happening in the forest. Mitra the mongoose stands quietly, keenly observing the surrounding environment. The four of them live together harmoniously and happily. Breaking the peace, a ferocious large Asian lion enters the forest, roaring. The lion frightens the animals, threatening, "This forest is mine." The panda and the squirrel retreat in fear, and sadness and fear spread throughout the forest. Guru the crocodile thinks, "Let's avoid a fight. We can find a solution intelligently." Chinnu the squirrel observes the lion and realizes that it is lonely. Babu The Panda suggests that laughter and happiness will help change the lion's heart. Mitra the mongoose calmly explains the plan and brings everyone together.
Follow my lead and we'll succeed.
The friends organize a small celebration, spreading joy throughout the forest. Chinnu the squirrel dances enthusiastically, transforming the atmosphere with happiness. Guru the crocodile speaks gently to the lion, explaining the value of friendship. The lion's anger melts away, tears well up in its eyes. Its heart begins to change. Mongoose Mitra says, "True power comes only from love without fear." The lion changes, becoming friendly with everyone. They all rejoice together. As the sun sets, the entire forest is filled with laughter. Friendship triumphed. Love and intelligence are far greater powers than physical strength.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment.
And Jerry, a fun and scary story. On a silent night, Tom tries to sleep inside the old house while everything around feels unusually quiet. Suddenly, Jerry slowly peeks out from the wall, watching Tom carefully with a playful smile. Jerry taps an old box, creating a scary noise that makes Tom jump in fear. Thinking it might be a ghost, Tom trembles as his eyes open wide in fear. Using candlelight, Jerry creates shadows to scare Tom even more for fun. Though scared, Tom gathers courage and starts chasing Jerry around the house. Jerry throws soap on the floor, making Tom slip and fall hilariously. They run into a dark storeroom where scary shadows suddenly appear. Seeing Tom's fear, Jerry slowly starts feeling a little guilty inside. Suddenly, an old cupboard begins to fall from above them. Jerry quickly pushes Tom away, saving him from danger. Tom looks at Jerry in shock, as fear slowly turns into friendship. Without words, both understand each other deeply. Jerry smiles, and Tom finally smiles back warmly. Tom shares his milk with Jerry kindly. The scary night slowly turns into a happy and peaceful one. From that day onward, Tom and Jerry are no longer enemies but friends. Size or fear does not matter. With understanding and kindness, even enemies become friends. When love and understanding rise above fear and fun, the world becomes a better place. Heavy Black Heart.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow your
Defeat the giant and safely return to their jungle home. In a vast desert, a cruel giant captures many animals and locks them inside a dark cave. Blaze the bearded dragon lies on the hot sand, thinking deeply about escape. Raja the royal Bengal tiger shakes his chains and roars for freedom. Glider the flying squirrel looks toward the cave roof, hoping for an escape path. Ima the emu stands strong, giving courage to everyone with her powerful legs. Sky the eagle watches the outside world through a small opening. Spark the eel slowly charges its glowing electric power. Viren the Asiatic lion calmly says unity is their true strength. All animals plan to combine their unique powers to escape. Spark uses electricity while Raja pulls and breaks the chains. Glider glides out and pulls a cloth rope for everyone. Ima runs fast and knocks down the guards. Sky flies above and signals the giant's movement. The giant attacks angrily, shaking the entire desert. Viren faces the giant while Raja attacks from the side. Blaze raises its body heat, forcing the giant to step back. Spark's electricity, Sky's dive, and Ima's push defeat the giant together. The animals leave the desert and travel toward the green jungle. Everyone safely reaches their jungle home. They learn that unity and courage can defeat even the biggest enemy. Everyone has unique strengths, but unity creates the greatest power. Glowing Star.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and follow our channel.
Like, subscribe, share, comment, and click bell icon.